Okay, we're doing a waterfall. We're playing Circle Jack.
Go, Diarheah! Ready? Shit!
Move in.
Go on, let's do this. Cheers.
He's not going.
You think I don't drink beer? I'm just kidding. Go beer!
Your panties are out, Kitty.
Yeah, she has shorts on.
Sorry.
I made her put shorts on.
Yeah.
I ran out of beer.
I'll go grab another burr. Go, dude, bro.
Spring break 93.
Woo!
Oh, none of us said dude, bro.
Oh,
Dude, bro, we got a drink now.
Let's go! Spring break!
dude, bro.
Can you tell us a cute story?
Dude, bro.
Dude, bro!
Kimmy, tell us how many beers you've had today.
I drink half a bottle of tequila. This is my 5th beer. 4th
Oh
beer.
God, you're gonna have diarrhea.
Yo, I'm sure I'll have the beer shits in the morning. I've been hungover all day.
Oh,
And then I drink Captain and Coke.
that's so pretty.
You know how gorgeous it is? It's amazing.
Good word.
So sexy.
Gorgeous. Duh. I've been so wasted all day. It's my wasted
I love
day
it.
of the all time for this semester.
How many beers have you had?
More than I can count in
I
one
don't
day.
even know. I had 1, 2. I had the 2 Ambers. I had 2 Natties.
Ew, you just farted.
Sorry. I ate a lot of tacos.
I think I had like 6.
Tacos, dude. That's all I gotta say.